Hi guys, welcome back. So last night I recorded a video to talk about the NEO day coming in less than 24 hours. And I mentioned there are 5 key factors that will influence a lot on the NEO day this time. Those are the 5 most important things that a lot of investors are looking for very closely on this NEO day event. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link down below and you should definitely check it out because they are definitely the uncertainties that investors have right now. So I want to do a video to follow up on the price prediction around this NEO day. Some people have the strategy of buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So I think some of you might be wondering whether you should sell your NEO share before the NEO day because you may think that the recent increase is mainly driven by looking forward to the NEO day event. So I just want to share my own point of view so you can take it as a reference for yourself. So the 5 main concerns that I mentioned in my previous video, I think they are already priced in within this 2 months of correction. You see, we have a already very healthy correction for the last 2 months. And this is really to price in a lot of the uncertainty, the concerns that investors have. If you want to know more about it, you can watch my previous video about the 5 factors. So I think as long as they can clear these uncertainties and concern, I think it's gonna drive up the share price. So right now, I think there will be 2 scenarios coming. So today, we can see that it has broken to have a new high. But I don't think this is going to be the recent new high. I think it's going to keep going. So I think there will be 2 scenarios. Number 1, it will go back down. So it forms a nice cup and handle pattern and then go straight up. Number 2, I think it's going to keep going for a few days until the market does a correction and then go back up. So NEO is my number 1 biggest position in my portfolio. And I'm very, very excited for what's coming along for a few years. I think it's going to be blue sky coming, just like their name. I think NEO is one of the companies with the most potential to grow. News scare you like, for example, delisting the Chinese company. This is not going to happen. NEO is not going to be delisted. So don't worry about this kind of news. In fact, whenever you hear the bad news, like Chinese delisting, for example, this is a good opportunity to buy. I share with you on Monday and on Wednesday how I always buy in these kind of Chinese companies. And don't listen to people saying that NEO is way overvalued, saying how there's an EV bubble for NEO. No, I don't think so. This company is going to keep on growing for a few years in a fast rate. So whenever you buy, it's always right. Even though you buy at the highest point, it's okay. So even though NEO had a big increase in 2020, I still think that we have only been seeing 10% of NEO's real potential. It has only released 10% to the public. And there are 90% of the potential that we don't see it yet. So today, I just want to make a quick update on my NEO prediction around the NEO day. And I want to make it before the market close. So some of you can make your decision based on more information. I will try to make an in-depth analysis video on NEO this coming weekend. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more content. And this week, every day I have been posting videos. I share my 2021 investment strategy, and also I share my perspective on how I see these Chinese stocks and what companies are good to buy. For example, on Wednesday night, I recorded a video about the Chinese delisting news, and I told everyone to buy the dip of these kind of Chinese companies. I mean, look at NEO, and on Monday I share EH, and that was really the lowest point. And the day after that, it was a 20% gain. And I think it's still a good buy. And on the video I recorded yesterday, I mentioned that BIDU has a good dip and it's a good buy. I like this company a lot. And I also recommended LU. LU. I said it's gonna break out anytime. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I really think starting from 2021, it's gonna be all good years for Chinese companies. and Chinese stocks from now on. Of course, I don't mean all the Chinese stocks. There are good companies, there are bad companies. And I'm here to tell you what I think is good companies and what is good to invest. Like these stocks I've been sharing in my recent videos, I really think they have potential. So don't sleep on them. Nobody is talking about it right now. So we need to catch them before everybody see it. That's how I bought NIO at $3. Right now, the market is quite excited, and every day you can see some stocks flying in the sky. So I am a little bit concerned that a correction might be coming in any time. Could be next week and could be the week after. I've been slowly taking profit this week and move it to what I think is more safe right now. The stocks I share with you, some of them are still at the bottom. So even though the market correction comes, it would not have as much room to drop versus the other ones that are already in the sky. So that's how I plan to protect my portfolio. I have been moving my investment from some of the US stocks towards Chinese and Canadian stocks. Before we end, I can do a little quick update on the BNGO. So yesterday I did a full analysis video on BNGO. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link down below. I drew out the scenario and I mentioned that there might be a gap down below. But at that time when I was recording, I didn't know. At that time when I was recording, I did not know they're gonna have a new share release. I think they published the news after the market closed, and I uploaded the video already. So I didn't know they're gonna have new share release. So on that video, I already shared my prediction, my plan on it, and so far it hasn't changed anything yet. So yesterday I already expected to have a gap down, so I'm not surprised today. Yes, new share release would cause the stock price to drop, but it's a good thing that the company can get more capital in order to do more R&D to improve their products. For example, if we look at Nano Dimension, I bought the Nano Dimension at first here on this day. It was the day they released new share and they dropped 24%, and I bought in, and it was the lowest point. So I'm not quite worried about BNGO yet. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you can find my video helpful, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a big like. It would help me a lot. Thank you.